Thunder over Louisville is just a couple days away, and yesterday during my video blog we focused specifically on Thunder. Now on TV, look, I get about 3 minutes to talk about every single thing on the extended forecast. For something that's as important as Thunder, I thought a video blog focusing specifically on Thunder Day would be a good thing to do. We're going to talk about rain chances, we're going to talk about how much rain we could see, we're going to talk about when we could see the rain, and temperatures here. Obviously, these are important things to help you make a decision whether you're going to head out to Thunder. We're going to start by looking at the GFS computer model. Notice the time frame we're talking about in the start here is midday on Thursday. As we move towards Friday morning, rain is still well to the north and west of Louisville. So it doesn't look like any rain on the GFS this early. As we move towards 5 p.m., you can see rain as we go towards the western part of Missouri, rain west of Indianapolis, so near Terre Haute. But over our area, we do not have rain. So if you're looking to watch the practice runs for the air show on Friday, I like the forecast. As we move towards Saturday, rain and our front start to approach the river during the morning hours. It's important to note that rain moves through around midday and before. And the front specifically hits us around midday, and by 5 p.m. it's starting to move east of us, and that's when the rain is moving off to our east. So it is really important to note here that the GFS shows almost all of its rain prior to midday. Let's now go over to the Euro and see what it is showing, whether it's indicating a wet forecast. We're starting the Euro here at 5 p.m. on Thursday. Let's move towards about midday on Friday. We can see the rain here on the Euro is still well to the north and west of Louisville. By 5 p.m. to around 8 p.m., rain still to our north and west. In fact, by about 1 a.m., the Euro here shows that the rain is still to our north and west. Front approaching the area Saturday morning, front moving through around midday, and by 3 p.m., the Euro shows the exact same thing as a GFS. Rain sliding off to our east into eastern Kentucky, and actually look as we go towards 8 p.m., rain moving away. 11 p.m., 3 a.m., we're actually starting to see some clearing. Now you also see these black lines are close to each other here, indicating that a good pressure gradient will exist. So this means breezy conditions late Saturday into Sunday. Now let's finally put this all together as we look at advanced track. With high pressure controlling our area, time frame we're starting advanced track is going to be 11 p.m. tonight. So the high pressure slides off to the east. Advanced track shows the front starting to organize by 5 p.m. on Thursday, still to our north and west. Now that front by 7 a.m. on Friday, still to our north and west, and actually by 5 p.m. the rain is still to our north and west. So again, if you're going to watch the air show, you're in good shape here. We can see that cutoff low pressure here developing towards the Dallas and area and the Arklatex. This is going to go to our south. We see more rain and thunderstorms developing here as we go towards Saturday morning, and advanced track is showing something that agrees with what we saw in the GFS and the Euro, and advanced track also showing by midday the rain is now starting to move away from our area here. So it's very important to note here that advanced track is in full agreement. So let me start to be a little bit more specific. Rain looks likely Friday night through Saturday morning. By midday, the rain chances will start to taper. I'm going Saturday afternoon down to a 30% chance. I think we're going to top around 65. And as we go towards the evening for Thunder over Louisville for the fireworks display at 9:30, I'm going to drop us into the lower 50s. It's going to be breezy, so bring a blanket with you. And rain chances down to 20%. So it looks like for the air show and for the fireworks, generally, and I again want to speak here generally, things are going to be dry. I can't rule out a stray shower, but it does not look like an all-day or all-evening rain by any means.